Red Stripe 713, you were radar contact 5 miles northeast of Horseshoe Bed at 5,600. Red Stripe 713, altimeter 2995. Your traffic's 10 to 11 o'clock at about 7 miles eastbound to Falcon Jet at a 14.5 for 10.
Damn.
Negative. Jet 715, Houston Center, Roger. Higher shortly.
He's behind us.
Yeah.
Oh, we're actually descending in front of him.
No, he's descending behind us, but I can't see him.
He's below us. We're descending too.
Okay.
He's descending as well. But
He crossed. He's crossing underneath us right now.
no, he's behind us still based on ADS. He's 500 below. I'm going to stop on my descent for a second.
13, that 172 is at your 12 o'clock in like less than a mile, 5,700 descending. You got him in sight?
I'm going to stop our descent.
Okay. I have him in sight.
You have him in sight?
Yep.
93 Quebec has the traffic in sight.
93 Quebec, Roger. Yeah, I just noticed that. He was supposed to be stopping at 85.
Yeah, we stopped our descent for a second there. Let him pass. 93 Quebec.
All right,
so I'm going to descend now.
Yeah, that's awesome, man. T-38, camouflage.
See him?
Yeah. He went right behind us, right under us. You're good to go.
Yep. He's going to be fast, so there's no way we're going to catch him.
It was just like, I just don't want to get hit by a fucking T-38.
Mike Echo, contact Dolphin approach on 1140.
I'll be back.
Well, they can eject. We can't.
No.
Yeah. JetBlue.
Well, he's descending. He was descending much faster than we were.
Yeah.
Still, though, I kind of, want to stop descending there. He's already like 3,000 feet below us.
Yeah.
It's fucking crazy.
We're going
All right, we're going to
Hondo.
go down to 3,300.
I should have gotten video of that. They actually were pretty close.
Oh, we were on top of each other there. It was red.
He was 300 feet below us.
Yeah, it was red. He never called us inside either.
Well, he's on a different frequency. They're on the high UHF, right? EHF?
UHF.
Yeah, UHF.
We are VHF.
And center stands altimeter 2997.
Ultra high.
Yeah.
Red Stripe 713, traffic no factor, Clement maintain 17,000.
At least they're on ADSB.
Yeah, at least we can see them, right? That's a good thing.
Yep. Yeah, man, I think ADSB should just be required nationwide.
I completely agree.
Contact stance on approach 125.7.
Completely agree.
Decimal 7, 3638.
3,500, and once we're inbound, we'll be down to 2,600. Once we pass up Y, we're going to go down to 1,500 and hold it there.
01 Lima Sierra, 12865.
Are we on it?
201 Lima Sierra, Houston Center, 2865. November 93 Quebec, no other traffic to you about. You can squawk VFR, chance advisory, frequency approved. Good day.
Roger, we'll squawk VFR and talk VFR 93 Quebec. Thanks for the help.
Yeah. Spiker 13, contact delivery approach, channel 14.
122.8. Get
Already traffic, Cherokee
on a course here.
Right down 1 for runway 16 already.
There we go.
I guess they're going to the
Traffic, Cherokee
restaurant too.
These guys?
Yeah.
Already.
You know where they are? Did you see how
They landed.
Okay.
They were fucking gone.
Oh, this is the jet that just passed us?
Yeah, that Spiker 13. He
landed already?
Yeah, he's already there, man. He's already.
Holy shit.
Or they flew over Hondo, maybe. I don't know if they're landing there.
If we see them at the restaurant, we can just say, hey guys, you almost rear-ended us.
They flew over. They're going into the.
Okay.
They're going into the MOA. They probably just did like a low approach. Or low pass, maybe.
Del traffic, Bremo 56 Hills, extended right downwind and exiting area to the north, Del Rio.
Already traffic, Cherokee, Protect North Delta is turning final runway 16 already.
What is the parent altitude there?
2,000 feet.
2,000 feet? Okay.
Yep. Elevation is 942.
Okay. I'll take the hood off once we get down to 2,000 feet.
Okay.
You can go down to 1500, but also in pattern altitude will sidestep.
Sounds good. That's funny. Striker 1-3, what are you doing?
241. And then once we establish inbound, we go down to 2600. Up to 2000.
Jesus.
That was
Like
utterly understandable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Try to make it less clear.
Make an effort, right? At least just try.
Wish.
This is less bumpy.
Yeah, no, it's back there. It was mountains. It was hills. So
Yeah.
the hills were probably causing a bunch of turbulence. I think this is also, there's a lot of vegetation here. It's green,
Yeah.
so it's wet, so it's a little bit.
It's sucking the heat, right?
It's kind of, I don't know. I mean, it could just be a lot of sink air, so, or just kind of stabilized because of the vegetation. Wait, was that 2052?
Field Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation 2107 Zulu weather. Wind calm. Visibility 10. Clear below 12,000. Temperature 3 Celsius. Dew point 1 altimeter 2998. Remarks. Density altitude 3,100.
We can probably land.
2, 9, or 9 or 8, yeah.
No. If it is calm.
Yeah, let's see what the... I don't hear any traffic. I mean, there's
No.
like...
Down to 2600 once we... 330. Can go down to 15. 2000 in here. Alright.
I think you could just do straight in.
Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna go down to 1500 and pull the hood off. 2600 initially.
Alright, seatbelt secure. Select your both. Trim.
Yep, landing on. And the carpet is on and trim is set.
Oh. Texture. Wow. I wonder where we lost the rubber thing here. It's weird. Make a call.
Oh yeah. We're 5 miles. UL the traffic, Cessna 9693, Quebec 5 miles to the south. And inbound runway 33 UL there. Okay. 2600, keep 2600 here. Until up, and we can descend from there. A little bit right, of course, here. And we have a nice glide slope for vertical guidance only as well. Follow that in. Get that middle centered.
You know the people that are flying those T-38s are like probably
Kids.
They're probably 20 years old.
Yep.
You fucking believe that shit?
Raining, right?
Yeah, we're like these old mofos and this like piece of shit Cessna. They're flying like high performance jet.
Alright, now we're established on the glide slope. Gonna get some flaps in. 900. Alright, let her come down. Down a little bit.
They want to make another call 5 miles.
UL to traffic, Cessna 90693, Quebec 5 miles to the south, inbound extended final for runway 33 UL there. Alright, gotta get down. Alright, let's fix that course.
Is that flash? Or the traffic?
There we go. Bumpy. Alright, a little bit high, but On the needle, a bit to the right. That's 1600, 100 feet to go. A bit high. And that's 1500. Runway in sight. Do a little bit more flaps here.
Watch that bird.
I saw it.
He's just messing with us.
Yep. My seat just fucking moved.
Yep, there you go. If you can't do it, let me know.
Yeah, that thing's locked in now. I've moved forward a little bit.
Yeah, that's not a good thing.
Yep.
Watch your speed. Getting slow. Wind.
Valley traffic, system 462 Golf is entering runway 15, departing to the east.
What? Is he departing? You roll the traffic, Cessna 93 Quebec, short final runway 33.
He's taking it.
You just landed.
Cessna taking 15, we're on 33 right now. Do you follow the traffic?
Yeah. You roll the traffic, Cessna 93 Quebec just landed on 33. Hold your departure. You roll the traffic.
Nice.
What the fuck is he doing? There you go. You got it. Alright, that was interesting.
That's why we gotta make more frequent calls.
I did, dude. I mean, I called 4 times.
Is the restaurant off to the right?
I think so.
Yeah. Yeah, that's right.
We'll turn to the right here. We made 4 calls.
Yeah, I know.
I called short final too. Exit before somebody rams us.
Yeah, I know.